Weaving, it's a process of discovery. So I think everybody starts with the small looms and a variety of materials. And as you progress, you feel the need of more enhanced designs and try to achieve a really nice color balance in between the colors you're using in your weaving. So it's an ongoing process of discovery. My name is Cassandra Ponta, and I've been a weaver for about 7 years. Mainly I weave in silk, merino, and bamboo sometimes because it's a hypoallergenic material. I prefer weaving in silk because of the final results, and I use a lot of software to develop my designs. It's much more challenging because silk, it's a slippery material. It's more difficult to control. The process of making a scarf starts with the design. So once you have your design in place, you have to actually put a warp on a loom, which is the threads running vertically on a loom. And those are measured on a mill. It's called a mill. So they are all the same length. So once this is done, the dressing of the loom can start, and every and each thread is taken through a heddle up to the 300 and whatever threads might be in a silk design, which is thread hungry, so to speak. So once that's done, it needs to go through the reed to obtain the width of the weaving that you're after. And once this is done, it all ties into the front beam of the loom. And this process can take half a day or more, depending on how thin the silk is. And once that's done, the weaving process can start. So basically each lever on a loom, it represents a shaft, and the design, it's made of a combination of shafts in different positions. So selecting the levers, it's indicated on the screen. So every and each row, there's a different selection of shafts, and therefore all the movement of up and down. So once you weave about 10-15 centimeters, you need to advance the loom because there's no more room for the shuttle to go through from one end to the other. So that involves rolling the front beam to call in for more warp from the back of the loom. Pretty much this is sort of like a cottage industry, whereas the production looms still in existence and active in UK are much bigger and they can weave fabric much quicker. I think that through the guild, because there are so many people interested in the same subject, we do have lots of conversations. We actually have a private weaving group as well, where we exchange knowledge and know-how, and it's like a really nice compact group of weavers. So yes, in that respect, I suppose we are kind of continuing the craft, and we're always happy to have new members coming in. It will be so nice to actually see other designers, what they can come up with, and there's more variety of designs and new ways of doing things. Definitely there's possibilities in adding more to silk weaving. There is a method which is called supplementary wefts, in which you can actually have more colors introduced as and when desired. So yes, there is a vast possibility, if people would like to get into silk, to kind of create fantastic things.